Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in a gray paint finish and is the RS trim. It includes features such as heated front seats, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a backup camera with front and rear park assist and a powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, all of our powered windows, as well as our powered mirror controls and rear window lock. In the bottom, we have our power liftgate controls, as well as some storage and a large Bose speaker. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have all of our powered controls. We can also see the seat finished in our leather finish with a black and red trim. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. Getting into the vehicle, above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise settings, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and lane keep assist buttons. Right-hand side has our hands-free buttons, as well as all of the controls for our digital information system. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We can see we have audio controls, wireless phone controls, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. If we swipe to the right, we also can see we have Sirius XM and our backup camera with adaptive guidelines and front and rear park assist. The bottom, we have some additional controls if we don't always use the touchscreen. We have our auto stop start engine as well as our hazard lights below. On the left-hand side is our push-to-start engine. Then we have our dual-zone front climate control, and on either sides are heated front seats. Below it, we have an SD slot, a USB-C, a USB, an auxiliary, as well as a 12-volt plug, and some storage. Then we have buttons just in front of our shifter, our all-wheel drive button, as well as our parking sensor button. Then we have two cup holders, a storage space just in front of our center console. You can also see our key here. We have our power locks on the top, remote start system, powered liftgate, as well as alarm system. Moving into the center console, we can see that we have some deep storage, as well as two USBs and a coin tray on top. Moving to our passenger seat, we can see it's the same black leather with the red trim, and of course is also heated. Then above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls, rear check reminder, lighting controls, all of the controls for our dual pane sunroof, a sunglass holder in the front, and then lastly, we can see our dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the second rows. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have a black alloy finish on our rims with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving up, we have a paint match in both our door handles and our outside mirrors. Across the top, we have black roof rails. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our Chevy bow tying in black, as well as our RS and Equinox badging. Opening the back right next to the handle, we have our backup camera. Handle is on the right-hand side below our bow tie. In the back of the vehicle, we have 60/40 folding second row seating, as well as plenty of storage. Then to close our vehicle, we have a button on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as storage and a large speaker. In the back of the driver's seat, we can see that we have a storage compartment. Across the floor, we have all weather mats. Between the two seats, we have two USB charging ports at the bottom, as well as our two vents, and a 120-volt plug at the very bottom. Passenger seat also contains a storage compartment. Moving to the seats themselves, we can see they are in a black finish with a red trim and are of course leather finished. In the center seat, we have two foldable cup holders, and in the back of the vehicle, all three of our seats fold in a 60/40 folding split to make additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.